friends, Miss Darla here, and today we're going to be talking about states of matter using the dancing raisins experiment. For this experiment, you're going to need club soda, raisins, and a clear glass. Pour the soda into your glass container and then drop the raisins in one by one. Then watch carefully as the raisins begin to dance. Now here's where you ask yourself, why is this happening? When we first dropped the raisins into the soda, they sank to the bottom of the glass because they're more dense than the soda. But they start to float because the carbonated soda releases carbon dioxide bubbles, which is a gas, and these bubbles love to attach to the rough surface of the raisins. These tiny carbon dioxide bubbles act like a little flotation device that lift the raisin to the surface of the water. This is due to an increase in buoyancy. Once these bubbles reach the surface of the soda, they then pop and the gas is released into the air. This makes the raisin lose that buoyancy and thus falls back to the bottom of the glass. And this will continue until all of the carbon dioxide has escaped and the soda is flat. There are many variables that you can change in this experiment. For example, I used room temperature club soda and old raisins. Do you think this experiment would do better with cold club soda? Or do you think it would do better with fresh raisins? How long will it take for the soda to finally lose all of the carbon dioxide bubbles? These are all questions that you can answer by performing your own dancing raisins experiment. I hope that you've enjoyed this experiment, and I hope that you get to do it yourself. And until next time,